Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today I want to do a little makeup tutorial using this palette. It's a new palette from BH Cosmetic and it's the Blueberry Muffin. I shot it in one of my last makeup haul. I saw my friend here on YouTube, Steph, doing a review and a tutorial using this palette. I will have her video down below if you want to check that out. And when I saw it, I thought it was really cute and I wanted to have it as well. It is part of the Weekend Vibes collection and I did a review on this collection. If you didn't see it yet, I will put it right here and on the description box. I have my face done. I am actually doing a review on the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I know it's not the first time that I'm saying that on my channel, but I lost several part of this first review that I did on this foundation, so I'm doing it again. You will have this video soon, I hope. But today we are here for this beautiful palette. So it is more on the cool tone kind of color, like blue, purple, and we have this little peach right here, which I find really cute. And we have a mirror. That's something that I really appreciate actually, because every time that I have a palette without a mirror, it's annoying. We have some shimmers, we have some matte. I think that we have a good balance. And we have one matte with the glitters. It's Baker's Dozen. It has some purple, blue and pink glitters. I'm not really good at swatches, but they actually look really good. And I'm not surprised. I really liked the other palette that I used from BH Cosmetic. So I will begin with the color Fluffy on a fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna put the color right here very softly to set everything. So at the moment I don't really want the color to show. It's preferable to do it with beige color or the color of your skin to set, but I am lazy though, so that will do. Okay, what do I want to do today? I'm going in with a Cheat Day. The names are so cute. And I will place the color right here. Beautiful color. The pigmentation is really there. On the inner corner, I will go with Delish. I'm using the same brush, but I'm just flipping over. Because like I said, I'm lazy today. I will take Fluffy again, and this time I am placing the color right here for a little touch of peach. And I have to say, I really don't know where I'm going. As you can see, I'm going up to the eyebrows. I will take Delish again, the color that we put in the inner corner, and I will blend right here. To intensify the outer corner, I'm gonna use So Good, and I will intensify. In the center, I'm gonna use Yummy because it looks different not like a basic blue. It's more like pink and blue at the same times. And I'm really going in, you know, I'm really playing today because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like, oh, maybe that will be cool, we'll see. Right in the inner corner, I'm gonna use Cravings right here. Oh, this one is very, very pretty. Really, the shimmers on BH Cosmetics palette never disappointed me, I have to say. This is very, very pretty. Okay, and I want to try Treat, which is gray. And I'm stopping at the middle. To stay into the gray department, I'm gonna use Hot and Fresh to finish the line. I realized that is something that I really enjoy doing, putting the darker color right here and then some shimmers here. I'm gonna take a little bit of Fluffy right here. Under the brows, I'm gonna use this one, Sugared. And I'm gonna do a little line, like a little liner with Baker's Dozen, the black. It has some glitter, like I said, but I don't think that is gonna show up, especially as I'm doing a liner. Yummy, the shimmers, is really an interesting duochrome, I would say. That's very, very pretty. I'm just gonna put some glitters eyeliner. This one, it's called Aurora, and it's from BBIA, you know, the Korea makeup. And I'm just gonna place it right here. From Beauty Bay, I am putting Blue Sky. It's a blue pastel on my waterline. And the eyes are done. And now the lips, I'm not too sure. I have this one from NYX. It's a matte liquid lipstick in the color Nude Rose. I have this one from Colourpop called Aquarius. I really don't know which one to pick. We have Aquarius and NYX right here. I think I'm gonna go for NYX because it's been a while and it does look like a little bit like Fluffy, but in a deeper color. It's a little bit more like a bright nude that I'm used to, because I am more on the warm and deeper colors for my lips. But what do you guys think? And on top, I'm gonna put a little bit of Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime. It's the Disco Cherry. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I was very happy with the quality of this palette. The mattes are really good, the shimmers as well, and I really... wait, I have a hair. And I really enjoy the theme. I think it's a very beautiful palette with colors that I don't necessarily have in my collection, or that I didn't, you know, all the blue, the gray, and the more cool tone purple. So I really enjoy this palette. If you want more tutorial with this palette, let me know down below. I will try to do some for my Instagram. Go there, follow me. I'm really trying to improve this page. And if you want to, I am also on TikTok now. It's just the beginning, it's nothing, you know, crazy, because I'm old. I still don't get how to do TikTok videos, you know, with all the transformation and all the makeup. And anyway, if you want to follow me there, please do. What else? Like the video if you did like it, share with a friend who love makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah, bye bye. What do you think of my t-shirt? It's Frida Kahlo. I'm loving it.